Welcome guys, Cream Boss back again with another reaction video.
Okay.
And it's gotta be a while since we react to a video, I'm not gonna lie. So we're gonna check out Pete and Bass, Pint and Fag. I don't know if that's a UK thing because I don't know what Pint and Fag mean, but I know that these old guys are sick. Begin now.
So you got it. Double pizza, chicken sandwich, burger, and deliver it to your mum's house. Yeah. Hello?
Yeah, can I have the postcode?
Yeah.
Where's your mum live?
Where's your mum live?
Sorry?
Where's your mum live?
Yo, these old dudes are funny as hell, bro.
Where does your mum live?
Where
Wait,
does
are
your
they
mum
like
live?
prank calling a pizza guy? Are they actually prank calling a pizza guy? I said pizza guy. Pizza guy right now? It seemed like that. I don't know really sure what's going on. Damn. All old school general. Rams.
I don't call back. I got big things and they go click clack.
Oh.
I'm known on this land. Out on the town of a pint and a
Oh. Yo, these grandpas are the coolest shit ever. Imagine these guys if these guys was literally on Titanic. Imagine if these guys was on Titanic, bruh. They'll be tearing that shit up.
I got big things and they
Go click clack.
I'm known on this land. Out on the town of a pint and a flag. Give me in between the fit.
Oh. Wait, either fag is actually the drink or a gun. Okay, I say fag in his hand. So either it's the drink or it's the beer.
Fingers, same hands on the can, it's a motion picture. You got fags, I'ma smoke them with you. That man give you trouble, I'ma smoke him with you. You're a mother,
Damn.
smoking with you.
Oh.
Back of the hand. Big back tools on the smashing them down.
Yo.
Got the knife on the case while I smash
Yo.
the can.
Yo, these old guys are the best, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Yo, the vibes and just their voice and everything just sounds so epic. Oh, Grams, take time, bro. I want you to live a long life. Take time with that alcohol. Or it could be water.
And they ringing my phone. I don't call back. I got big things and they
I go click clack.
I'm known on this land. Out on the town of a pint and a
Ooh.
I got big things
And then go click clack. Ooh. Yeah.
Out on the town of a pint and a fanny in the bag.
Damn, my boy. Where did piece it on the road, bro?
In the back of the catch and that's blown. Did it on the one arm bandit. You talk money, then you speak my language.
Damn right.
Queens in the Tesco bag. Take the head from his body like a Lego man. I'm the governor. I'm the big Labasco. Big fat bagger, you can ask about.
Yo, I can't believe it, man. Sometimes when I just listen to these guys, I was like, oh my god, these guys are like veteran, old guys. But they're just spitting better than enough young dude. I'm not gonna lie, bro. They're actually incredible. I don't know if they write their own music. That would be something very amazing. So I don't know. But could be. It is shoplifting. It is shoplifting, bro. Damn, my dude just robbed the store. Easy as that. And I go click clack. Damn. Yo, he's drunk. They drink too much liquor. I think the liquor is actually called fag. I'm not really sure.
This ain't his cab, is it?
All I know that these guys are some of the coolest old British guys I ever seen in my life, bruh. They put Chef Ramsay to shame. Literally. But anyway, guys, this was a very cool video. Not gonna lie, these guys are awesome. Hopefully they live to see much longer because their stuff are very awesome, not gonna lie. But anyway, guys, this is the end of the reaction video. Peace out. Enough love.